I'm going to show you how you will start your video editing journey. The first thing that you need to know. Now, I am not going to be going into theory. All I'm showing you is practical so that it will be easy for you to learn. No need of too much grammar. So in this video, what I'm about to show you here now is how you can start your video editing with your mobile phone, irrespective of the mobile phone, be it Android, be it iPhone. So all you need to do for me now is get this app Inshot. So get your Inshot, follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you here on this particular video. Pay attentively, listen up, pay attentive to everything that I'm going to show you. So first of all, all you need to do is get this app, open it. When you first open it, this is how it will look. You understand? The reason why you see something like clock on my screen right now is because I have some works I've done there and some works that I'm still doing. So when you open it like this, you click on video. Since it's video that you want to edit, we are going to be going one after the other. We are going to be doing it one after the other. Today, in this video, we are editing video. So now, the video that we are editing, because you have to have something in mind that you want to do first. You can't just open an app and start editing. No. Now, what we want to edit now is what is called faceless content. Faceless content with pictures and videos. Now, once you click here, you come and click here, this video here. Now, like I said before, I have some works there. That is why you are seeing these stuffs. If it's your first time of opening the app, you won't see these stuffs. So next thing that you need to do is click on new. When you click on new, it will get you to your video gallery, where your videos are in your gallery. So when it gets you to your video gallery like this, you select the video that you want to work on. And now that you are here, you look for the video that you want to work on. So the next thing for you to do is, if the video is not here, you can scroll down. So you select the video, and to show like they click on this green. When you click on this green, you allow it to load this way, and it opens like this. This is the interface of where you are working. Yes, this is interface of where you are working your project. So the next thing for you to do is to mute the sound from this particular video. You see where they write mute clip, you are going to click on that mute clip, and when it shows you on mute clip, that is because it is mute already. Another way is to look for volume and turn down the volume. You can hold this place and scroll it, and you click on volume. This is what it will show you. Then you will bring the volume down. You have done that. You can see the video has no audio anymore, because we are doing a faceless content. So what you are going to be doing here now is to, next thing to do is to bring in a video of you to overlay, or a picture of you, but I prefer you to take a motion, something that is moving. So look for PIP. Well, look, this is PIP here. Click on PIP, and it will bring you to where your videos are. So look for the video that you are going to be laying on top of the clip. You can scroll down normally the way you scroll. Let's use this particular video. Okay, now this is it. When you import your video, this is how it is going to be showing on your screen. You can use this arrow to expand the video and to minimize the video to your preferred size. Then you move it to any corner that you want it to move by clicking on the video and moving it around your screen. So I prefer we keep it here. Then the next thing to do is to bring in is to turn down the volume of that particular video so that it won't have audio. Yes, because you are going to be using your voice to do audio too. So next thing to do is to bring in the picture of these two people who you are talking about. You are going to look for PIP again. The same way, you click on this place, you drag it, and you find where PIP is. Click on it, it brings you here. Now, because we need picture, you are going to go to photo. Click on photo and select the picture you want to use. You say this is the picture I want us to use. Don't forget, you can expand and minimize with that same place. Then you drag the picture to your preferred destination where you want the picture to be. In this video, we are going to be leaving the picture here. click at the end side of the photo and select video end to take the picture down to the ending of the video where the video ends. You can clip and stretch it to the end. So this is it. So the video we laid on is over, so you are going to split it by clicking on split. Click on split to split it and click on delete to delete the remaining one. So this is what we have now. This is what we'll have now. Remember, we are doing this because we want to customize this video to become original content of ours. Then the next thing to do is to put your voice. Then look for audio. This is audio. Click on voice record. See, click on record. So when you click on record, the next thing for you to do is to click on the red button to start recording. Two-Face Idibia teach. So when you make a mistake like I did, you see this play. This is where you click to wipe the mistake away. Then you start again. So almost see how Two-Face Idibia practically taught Natasha how to be respectful in public. As he carry Natasha reach where this men dey, Natasha wan use hand shake them, thinking say she dey for house of assembly, but see how Two-Face take stylishly blocked her. Look at it. As she stretches out her hand, Two-Face stylishly blocked her by hugging that woman. Now she wants to and shake this man again. Two-Face again blocked her. Look at it, look at it, look at it. He stylishly blocked her. So guys, Two-Face, this guy get respect pass. Now him be the most respectful artist wey we get for Nigeria. See how Baba take dey teach him wife how to be respectful in public. Just watch this video very well. She just stretched her hand to greet. Two-Face blocked her by hugging this woman. Again now she wants to greet this man again with a handshake. Two-Face literally block her again. This Two-Face, this guy is so humble, and if you dey roll with this guy, you have to be as humble as him. Abeg, wherever you are watching this video from, make sure you click on the share button and share this video. Share it. Yes, you are not sharing it because the video is comic or something. You are sharing it because you are supporting this page, so that we go dey bring you more information and gist and trendy gist about celebrities as e dey hot. More Two-Face, I comot cap for you. Okay, so you see that now we have recorded that. So you click here now that is marked good. You click on it. When you click on it now, this is the audio you recorded. This is audio you recorded. This is the audio we recorded. You click on mark good again to return you to the previous one. Now this is almost see how Two-Face Idibia, can you see, practically taught Natasha. So that is it now that we are done with this video now. So the next thing you should do is to export your video. How do you export your video? You click on this arrow that is at the right hand top side of your screen. Click on it to show you. Then select the resolution you want to export. If this estimated size is too much for your phone to carry, you cut it down to 720p. But please don't go below again, because some social media site, for you to have more views, they won't recommend your video. So I'm selecting 720p because I don't have enough space. Then this MOV, click on it and select MP4. That is done. Then click save. Your video is now saving. So that is the end. If you have any question, drop it.